Hi and welcome back to Tier 10 to Prem. Today we've got Tottenham and we've got Leicester, and hopefully it's a bit of a change of fortunes. But please do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and also get notified of future uploads on this channel. But also don't forget to check out our other episodes on the Skin Clinic, which come out every Tuesday and Thursday currently. Okay, so we had 2 games since our bad run of games without a win in 4 there. We went and played Fulham at Fulham, so the start of our second half of the season, and we beat Fulham 2-1. Borachea and Jack Kift with the goals. And then we had Liverpool. And again, a close game. We only lost 2-1. Talamonte with the goal, but yes, only Ale actually got into a 7 in this game. Not the best of games, but it happens unfortunately. So now we go off and play Tottenham. And the team for Tottenham: Rennie in goal. McLeod is still on international duty. I don't think he's ever going to come back. McLelland, Ergart, Stone, Kift, Enzo, Chitty, Affleck, Powell, Allen and Talamonte. As we can see at the moment, Young's unfit, Ballinger unfit, Ramirez injured, Roberts injured, Hayward injured, Blue injured. Edwards shouldn't really be on the bench, but he is. Corey Harvey's on the bench. He's back. Let's go and play Tottenham, shall we? And the teams are in. And I don't know. Should we be cheeky? I expect to win today. Or it's demotivated everybody. That's a mistake. Let's go and do them. Come on, boys. They're uninspired before we even start. Let's have a shout. Bit of encouragement. Is it done anything? Fired them up. So I expect to win. Then we've encouraged. We've got them back on side. Come on, lads. We can beat Spurs today. I know we can. We've got the players to do it. They ain't playing, but we've got the players to do it. There's a second string 11 today playing, really. And Stone is already down to 80%. I'm not sure what's happened to him. Oh, that's not good. 17 minutes gone. And there's only been 3 shots in the whole game. And it's Spurs with the first highlight. It is absolutely tipping it down here at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. And it goes wide from Palmer. Okay, so nearly 25 minutes gone. And you'd like to say that we're doing all right. It's one of those games Liverpool have already played and won. It's just, it's a game today. You'd like to think, oh, what are we doing? We're diving in left, right and centre. It's gone wide again. There was a couple of fouls in there that the referee let go. But yes, and it's another highlight for Spurs. Let's have a highlight for ourselves, please. In fact, let's go back to a balanced mentality till half time. And there's an overload on this side. And we're not tracking. We're not tracking at all. Come on, lads. That's it. Affleck. On your bike, son. Put Talamonte away. Or go yourself. Straight at the keeper. But it's a shot. And it didn't really change our XG. That's disappointing. Rennie to Ergart. Ergart forward. He should not be playing from the back. I don't know why he's doing that. Ball is in. And Cole Palmer has scored the first goal of the game on 35 minutes. Eesh. We need to sort out what is going on with playing from the back here, because we've got two defenders on just playing as no-nonsense defenders, and surely they're not going to score again, 2 in a minute. It's away, but it's back again. Come on, lads. And it is 2 in a minute. We've been playing well, and whether this that's a demand more, that is. Whether it was changing to a balanced mentality just before that goal, I don't know. But it's not good. Cole Palmer is pulling all the strings. Oh, look at him. £62 million worth. Absolute demoralising end of the half, really. 2-0. But again, no, I'm not pleased. Show me something different in the second half. It's fair enough shout, isn't it? Okay, Affleck's been booked. Stone. We'll give it 5 minutes. And Stone, even though he's probably been one of the better players, Kift to Ale. Powell, Ale, Kift. Oh, he's given it away, but he's got it back. Enzo! What a goal by Enzo. Second goal of the season for Enzo. And we're back in it, boys and girls. Ale, Powell, Kift. Kift gave it away, but got it back. And then Enzo with a fierce drive. Beautiful goal. Right. Let's make some changes. Let's get in and do it. Affleck is having a shocker. Ellis on for Affleck. Winger on. Attack. Ale is another one. Chitty could go out there, I suppose. Ale. Kift. Sainsbury. Kift switch with Sainsbury. Sainsbury, inverted winger. In fact, what is his favourite? Inverted winger on support. Inverted winger on support. Let's get on the right bit, James. Come on. Inverted winger on support. Stone. He's playing well, but I don't want to break him. Stone for Edwards. Switch there. Ball playing defender. On defend. Right. 3 changes made. And can we do a quick shout? Let's fire them up. Balanced mentality. And it's Tottenham again. Come on, lads. We're back in this. Don't go doing anything silly now. Go on, Ellis. Ellis, on your bike, son. You're quick as flash. Ellis. Ellis. Keeper makes a save. Oh, that would have been a great substitution. Sainsbury gets to it. Sainsbury to Kift. Oh, he's offside. Ooh, that's disappointing. Instructions. Be more disciplined. Dribble less. Hit early crosses. Yes, hit early crosses. Shoot on sight as well. Distribute to the flanks. Don't play out of defence. More direct. Higher tempo. Get stuck in. Get the lines up a little bit. And let's go and play football, boys. Come on. Let's do a football here. Enzo, let's hit another beauty like that. That would be amazing. But it's Tottenham again with a highlight. Don't do any silly tackles. McLelland, keep the ball, son. Right. I think we might have... That's offside. But Rennie makes the save. It was offside. It did look offside. just a bit of encouragement. That's got them going. Enzo's having a good game in there, but he's looking a little bit shot. Come on, boys, 20 minutes to go. Is there anything else we can do in the tactics? Because I don't think... Have we really got... Ellis can't play up top, no. Kift, no. We need to... Didn't want to press that. 5 to go. Fire them up. Come on, boys. Let's just do something. Can we just a little bit more attacking, maybe? It's another booking, and it's another highlight for Tottenham. Ergaard gets it away. But Roberts couldn't get... In fact, it's not Roberts, is it? It's Talamonte. McClelland gets to it. Ellis, come on, you're quick, son. Get out there, get to him. Talamonte is doing absolutely nothing in there. And it's another chance for Tottenham. Dancing past players. Ooh, past the post. But again, it's 2-1. It's... How many games, when we lose, is just 2-1? There's nothing in it, really. Yeah, they've had 23 shots, we've had 4. But we're in it, we're in the games. Despite the result, I'm pleased. It'd been nice to win, but it wasn't to be. I think that's 4 shots, 4 on target from us today. That's not bad. And here we are for the Leicester game. Leicester, who are 2nd or 3rd in the Premier League. What? Why is it everyone we play is at the top? Why can't we have someone down the bottom? It just drives you to despair. Okay, we are home, so we will go with the attacking midfielder. Rennie in goal. McLelland, Edwards, Stone, Youngs, Enzo, Ballinger, Affleck, Powell, Ale and Roberts. So we're getting people back, thankfully. So maybe this will be the turning point. Hopefully we're not going to slide any more down the league. Teams are in. Paulo Fonseca's Leicester City. Go out there. Yes, good luck, lads. Go out there and pull off an upset. Yeah, that's the one. TV game. We're the Sunday TV match. This is great. And Leicester are... Oh, they're not in great form. This is what I mean. This lot was 2nd in the league, I think. They've just... No, gone 4th now. Obviously, games in... yeah, 4th. So, 4th in the league. Only won 1 in 5. Come on, boys. Positive mentality. Let's go and do something. And they just lost. They played midweek. They've got a few players on 80s. Look, there's one there, I can see. 2. They just lost to Arsenal in the Carabao Cup 2-0. So, who knows? But obviously it's Leicester with the first highlight in the 10th minute. Right. Come on, lads. Enzo. Roberts is back fit as well. Roberts. He's been raring to go for ages. Affleck. Affleck. Can he beat his man? He did. And he made the keeper make a stop. And Affleck. You beauty. 3rd goal of the season for Taylor Affleck. He had a good chance. This, I think the keeper actually saves this. Yes, he powered it across. Ale smashed it back across. Roberts has a go. Affleck, open goal. 1-0 up in the 10th minute. Right, lads. This is what we like to see. No, I was gonna do an encouragement, but I don't think it should be. That's a bit patronising, isn't it? 1-0 up. I don't want to praise, but Ballinger's looking... So that needs to be an individual. Ballinger. Calm down, son. Single-minded now. Does that mean he's going to get sent off? Oof, I don't like that. Toby Young swings it in. And it's a second goal. Nick Edwards. He pops up with a header. I'm not sure if the keeper got something on this. Let's have a look a minute. Youngs, Edwards. Oh, the keeper. The keeper's had a shocker. An absolute shocker there. You would think that maybe... Well, it must have been going on target. Ale. Youngs. Oh, my word. Toby Youngs. A quick-fire double for Mousehole. Youngs to Ale. I thought that was going to be a penalty. But he lays it into Youngs, who absolutely smashes it into the net. 3-0. This is a praise. The praise has come in on half an hour. Balanced mentality till half-time. What a game so far. Wow. Didn't see this coming. The form we've been in, I did not see this coming. But let's not go throwing this away. Youngs with a cracking challenge. Does this mean we're going to get it back? Of course not. Youngs again. Second challenge. Oh. Let's go positive. Let's go positive. Should not have gone balanced. Too soon. Too soon. Come on, boys. Encourage. Youngs again. Roberts! 18th goal of the season. It's 4-1. Oh my goodness me. Roberts taking the plaudits. And he rises up. Oh my word. What a game. And we've only got an XG of 1.26. Edwards. He can play out of defence. Affleck. Enzo. Giving it away. Can we get the ball back though? Enzo's chasing him down. Ale. Go on, you're meant to be a wing back, son. Go on. You're meant to be a wing back. Don't go 4-2 before half time. This is definitely balanced mentality now. We've got to be tighter. There's so many men around it. Enzo smashes it away. End of highlight. My goodness me. Half time. Couldn't come quick enough. Come on, boys. 4-1 up at half time. Home to Leicester City. What a half of football. Yestin Powell. I'm very pleased with how it's gone. Yestin Powell's the worst player out there on a 6.5. How's he on a 6.5 in a game like this? I'm not sure. I am not sure. Right. A bit more positive now. First 5 minutes, we've just seen through that little spell after half time. And now, of course, Ballinger away. Yestin Powell. Powell to Roberts in acres of space. And Affleck is out on the wing. Brings it back. Enzo. Oh. McLelland. Ballinger. Who gives it away. He's coming off. He's coming off. He's on a yellow card as well. Come on, lads. Don't let them back in. Oh, he's gone past him there too easy. But Rennie... And gives it straight to Stone, who smashes it upfield out the way. Right. Before... I'm not even waiting for 60 minutes here. What have we got on the bench? Chitty. For Ballinger. That's one change. Yes. And... let's do instructions. Don't play out of defence anymore. Time waste sometimes. I'm happy with that. Work the ball into the box. Oh, we'll hit early crosses. Hit early crosses, that'll do. Let's go a bit narrow. Get stuck in. Get the line up slightly. Press. And play. Right. And straight away they got a highlight. Can we get the ball back, please? Can we get the ball back, please? Stone. Roberts wins it. Ale. Oh, come on. I thought that was going to be the chance. Yestin Powell is not playing well at all. Borachea, on you come, son. Just a bit of encouragement, I think. Enzo's uninterested by that. Who else? It's going to be fitness, really. Ale. He's on an 8. He's having a... Next to Youngs, he's the best player on the pitch. I think we'll go for Kift. Ball away, please. Ball away, please. Come on. 4-1 up. He's tried a cheeky one against Rennie, but he's not having that. And we're still playing it short. Why? Stones just smashes it upfield. That's no good. Borachea. Roberts. Oh, he's in. Roberts. Matthew Roberts. 19th goal of the season. It is 5-1 at the Bournemouth Stadium. Roberts didn't win the ball. Borachea, he tried to play him in. Roberts latched onto the absolute catastrophe by the Leicester defenders. Have you seen anything like that before in your games? He smashed it against his face. He must have half killed the lad. And we're 5-1 up. Enzo away. Roberts now on a hat-trick. Borachea. Kift. Kift coming forward. Kift. Affleck. Penalty ref. No? Stones back to Rennie. Edwards. Stones. Borachea. Kift. Out to Affleck. He's got to it. Kift has got it again. It's only gone and got 6. Oh my word. What a game of football. Kift to Affleck. Affleck back to Kift. And he's just smashed it into the net for probably one of our goals of the season. Let's keep an eye out for that one, everybody. Jack Kift in a 6-1. But can we do any more? I'm going to praise them. They've been amazing. They've been absolutely amazing. 10 minutes to go. Yeah, balanced. Let's just sit it out. Balanced mentality. What a game of football. Unbelievable. Oh, yeah. I'm blown away. 6-1. Who's seen that coming? Unreal. Matthew Roberts. Back in the team today. That was really special, lads. Nobody give us a prayer. Well, we're going to come straight back, I think. We're going to do a couple of games, then we're going to blast through a few. So we're going to do Brighton and Barnsley. We got that one in between. We'll just play that off cam. But if you've enjoyed that, everybody, because who's seen that coming? Absolutely unbelievable game of football. It's just the Premier League, isn't it? So topsy-turvy. In fact, where is that? Let me just have a quick look. We're 11th in the Premier League again now, after that win. And looking at it, we're 8 points off. Yeah, 8 points off a European place. But going the other way, we're 11 points off relegation. So things have tightened up a little bit. Hopefully we've done enough. And we'll catch you back for Brighton. We'll see you soon.